Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. My name is Ku Muhammad Uthman Azim bin Kusari. My metric number is 307293. Today, I'll be talking about activity-based costing or ABC and its growing importance in the service industry. While ABC was initially developed for manufacturing where it's used to track production costs more accurately, its principles are just as useful in service-based business. Why? Because services often involve high indirect costs such as labor, administration, and overhead. Traditional costing systems tend to oversimplify how these costs are assigned. In industries like banking, healthcare, education, and consulting, where activities vary significantly in complexity and resource use, ABC provides a clearer picture of which services or customers are actually profitable. So in this presentation, we will explore what ABC is, why it's useful for service provider, how it's applied in different sectors, and what benefits and challenges come with it. So let's start with a basic understanding. What is activity-based costing? Activity-based costing or ABC is a costing approach that improves accuracy by assigning indirect and overhead costs to the specific activities that drive them. Unlike traditional costing method, which typically spread costs evenly using simple measures like labor hours, ABC breaks down the organization operations into detailed activities such as processing customer requests, performing quality checks, or managing accounts. Each activity is then analyzed to determine how much it truly consumes in terms of resources like staff time, equipment usage, or administrative support. These activity costs are then linked to the services, products, or customers that require them. By tracing costs in this way, ABC provides a more accurate and realistic picture of how resources are being used. This helps managers understand which services are profitable, which customers are costly to serve, and where efficiency improvement can be made. Overall, ABC supports better decision-making around pricing, budgeting, and resource allocation, making it valuable in the service industry, where operations tend to be more complex and the cost visibility is often limited.
Hi everyone, my name is Izzat Izzuddin bin Mat Khalid, 307010. So today I want to talk about why ABC in the service industry. Today I will be talking about why activity-based costing or ABC is especially valuable in the service industry. Unlike traditional costing methods, ABC provides a more accurate, insightful, and strategic way to understand costs. What is ABC? ABC is a way to figure out the real cost of services by looking closely at the end activities involved in delivering them. It's different from old methods that just spread costs evenly. First, accurate cost allocation. Traditional costing spread costs evenly, but not all services use the same amount of resources. ABC assigns costs based on the actual work done. This gives a clearer picture of how much each service really costs. Second, enhanced pricing strategies. Knowing the true cost helps businesses set the right price. ABC helps avoiding pricing too low or too high, so companies can price their services fairly and confidently. Third is improved resource allocation. ABC shows which activities use the most time, money, or staff. This helps managers find where resources might be wasted and how to use them better. Fourth is strategic decision making. With detailed cost information, businesses can make smarter choices, whether it's expanding a service, outsourcing, or investing in new technology. ABC helps guide this big decision. After that is enhanced competitiveness. In a competitive service market, companies that understand their costs well can improve service and satisfy customers better. ABC helps businesses stay ahead and compete more effectively. Number 6 is strategic decision support. ABC is more than just a costing tool, it's a strategic management system. The insights it provides are valuable for high-level planning, including first, evaluating new business opportunities, managing customer relationship, aligning operation with business strategy, and supporting digital transformation and innovation. In short, ABC gives managers and executives the information they need to back up strategic choice with solid data. Conclusion: ABC helps service businesses understand their costs clearly, make better decisions, and stay competitive. It's not just about accounting, it's about running the business smarter. Key application of ABC in the services industry. Unlike traditional costing, ABC provides a deeper understanding of how resources are used. This leads to smarter decisions in areas like pricing, budgeting, and process improvement. First is, let's talk about cost allocation. In service companies, it's often hard to figure out where overhead costs like admin, IT, or rent should go. ABC fits this by linking these costs to the real activities that drive them. This makes cost distribution more fair, clear, and accurate across team, clients, or services. Next, ABC helps with pricing. When you know the true cost of delivering each service, you can price it properly. This means no more guessing, undercharging, or overcharging. Just smart pricing based on actual resource use. It helps keep the business both profitable and competitive. Third is customer profitability analysis. Not every customer brings the same value. Some clients need more support or take up more time. ABC shows which customers are more or less profitable. With this info, businesses can decide where to focus, how to price, or what service level to offer to different clients. Fourth is resource planning and budgeting. ABC also supports better planning and budgeting because it gives a clear breakdown of costs. Manager can plan staffing, budgets, and services more accurately. This helps match resources to demand, cut waste, and improve efficiency. Process improvement. Finally, ABC is great for process improvement. It shows which activities are taking up time or money without adding much value. This helps businesses fix bottlenecks, remove waste, and make their services faster and better. To wrap it up, ABC is not just a way to track costs, it's a powerful tool for smart decision making. From pricing and budgeting to customer focus and process improvement, ABC helps service in businesses perform better, earn more, and stay ahead in today's competitive market.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rushaidi bin Khairuddin, 307107. This is 7 steps are fully applicable to implementing in activity-based costing in the service industry. The first step is identify and define activities. The first step is to list all the main activity in an organization. These are the tasks or process that are done to deliver a service or product, such as customer service, billing, or equipment setup. It's important to break down the work clearly so we know what activities are using up the time and money. The second step is assign cost to each activity. Next, assign all the costs to each activity. This includes things like staff salaries, equipment, and materials. By linking costs directly to activities, we get a clearer view of where money is being spent. 3. The third step is identify cost drivers. Cost drivers are the things that cause an activity to happen or grow in cost. For example, the number of customers called or the number of service hours could be cost driver. Finding the right cost driver helps us understand what increase the cost of each activity. 4. Calculate cost driver rates. Now we calculate the cost per unit of each cost driver. This is done by dividing the total cost of an activity by the total number of cost driver units. For example, if answering 1,000 call cost 5,000, then the cost driver rate is Rm5 ringgit per call. Step 5 assigns cost to products or service. Once we know the cost driver rate, we apply it to the product or service. We multiply the rate by how much the product or service used the activity. This helps us know the exact cost of each service or product based on real usage. 6. Analyze the result. After assigning cost, we study the result. We can see which services are more costly, which processes are not efficient, and where we can save money. This helps in planning, budgeting, and improving service quality. 7. Keep improving the ABC system. Last, we need to update the ABC system regularly. As the business grow or change, the activity and cost may change too. By keeping the system updated, it stays useful and accurate for decision making.
Activity-based costing has broad relevance across the service sector. So, let's explore a few industry-specific applications. The first one is healthcare. The ABC is used to track costs by procedure, department, or patient. For example, it can reveal the true cost of a surgery by accounting for every supporting activity, like from lab tests to recovery room usage. So it can help the hospital to price their services more accurately and improve their efficiency. The second one is the banking service. Okay, in banking, ABC allocates costs to service like account maintenance, loan processing, or ATM transaction. This reveals which the service are consuming the most resources and which client segment are more or less profitable. The third one is the hospitality, like hotel use ABC to understand their cost per guest type, booking channel, or amenity usage. Hence, it can help the ABC can help them to optimize their promotion, staffing, and service delivery. Okay, so let's move on to case example, which is banking sector. A mid-sized bank serves two main customer segments, which are retail clients and corporate clients. At first glance, both seem equally profitable based on revenue. However, after implementing ABC, the bank discovered that the corporate clients require significantly more support and more compliance check, customized reporting, and dedicated relation manager. This activity consumes far more overhead. By contrast, retail clients mostly use automated service like ATM and online banking, which will cost less to maintain. Through ABC, the customer uncovered that although corporate and retail clients generate similar revenue, the retail segment is actually more profitable due to lower resources consumption. These insights enable better pricing and staffing and strategy focus as well, compared to something traditional costing system will not have revealed. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, for benefits and challenge. We have 4 types of benefits and 3 types of challenge. First benefit is more accurate cost data. Second is better pricing strategies. Next is smarter resource allocation and enhanced decision making. For challenge, first is high implementation effort. Next is need for detailed data and resistance of conclusion.
we can conclude that activity-based costing isn't just a way to calculate costs. It's a powerful tool for strategic decision-making. In service industries, where operations can get complex and overhead is high, ABC helps us uncover hidden costs, improve pricing strategies, and focus on what actually drives value. Yes, it takes efforts to implement, but the benefits like better cost control, smarter resource use, and higher profitability make it totally worth it.